Anita here. How is everyone? Okay, so today we're gonna be doing I love Etsy list 10, episode 18. Before I show you the 10 items that I listed, I want to remind everybody that I am doing the giveaway, and the giveaway video will be on, not a video. I'm gonna be doing a live on Monday at 2 Central. And I'm hoping my sister will be here so we can do the giveaway together. And I am going to be giving away a few more items besides the Swarovski necklace. And in order for you to be eligible for the giveaway, all you need to do is go to the previous video from this one, put in a comment, and just be a subscriber. So that's what we're gonna do. Right now, I'm just gonna show you the 10 items that I listed today. And my Etsy shop is doing pretty good on sales. I wish I had listed more yesterday, but I didn't do listings yesterday. But I did do the 10 that I'm going to show you today. The first one is going to be this necklace here. It's the chain is 18 inches, and it's a marcasite stones cross necklace. Oh, showing you the wrong side. It's very pretty. I love the cutout over here on the bottom. It's very different. I really like how this one looks, and it's a really good size. And this is how the back looks. It is marked and tested. It's a very pretty necklace. And this one, I listed it for $22. And as you guys know, I always start my items with the 20% off sale. But I do tell you the price before the sale, just in case the sale ends, so you know what the prices are. Okay, so this is very pretty. I really like this one. Okay, so we're gonna get to the next one. Butterfly. Okay, butterfly, where are you? Here it is. And I do put them in little baggies so they don't touch each other and get scratched. Okay. This is very pretty. Oh, and I did drop it. Okay, look how pretty this is. Oh, what happened to the necklace? It got tangled. Okay. This is what happens when you put them together. Okay. This is very pretty. It has kind of like confetti inside the wings that make it look resemble opal. It's not opal. I don't know what it's made of, but it is confetti-like. But surrounding the butterfly, they are stones. I'm guessing they're Swarovski crystals or maybe even cubic zirconias. I'm not sure. It doesn't say in the back. In the back, it's just marked 925. Let me see. There's another mark next to the 925. And of course, I did test these. Let me just tell you what it says. 925DL is what it says in the back. And the stones are open, so maybe they are cubic zirconias. And there is a larger size stone here where the head is. This is a very nice piece, and I listed this one for 25. And I did include a chain. The chain is 16 inches. So here's another look at my cute little butterfly. Okay. So, and I am putting them separated over here, and I will put them back in the little bags. Okay, next we have, oh, the earrings. Where'd they go? Here they are. Cute little earrings with turquoise stones. Here they are. And they do have a lot of detail work on the sides. They are marked and tested in pretty good condition. They're marked inside, very clean. And you can see the stone, it's open in the back. And I listed these for $18. So we have these. I'm gonna put this one back in the bag. Okay, turtle. Oh, here we go. Okay, this is a very simple little turtle necklace, actually pendant. And I did include a necklace chain to it. And I listed this one for $10. And this is how the back looks. Very simple, delicate, cute little turtle. If you like necklaces that are, not too bulky and just something simple, this is very pretty. Okay. Then we have flower earrings. Where'd you go? Okay, here we go. And these also very simple earrings, little earrings over here. Little flowers, two flowers in kind of like a rectangular shape. And they are marked and tested, and these do have the backs. And I did list these for $10 as well. And with this one, I'm going to include these Bars earrings. These are silver plated. They're not sterling silver, but they are not in the photos. But I am going to include these as well as a gift with the purchase. Okay, but you will only see these in the picture. That's why I'm going to put them together. Okay, next we have pearl necklace. Here it is. Okay, this is a cream color pearl necklace. It's 18 inches and it does have a silver clasp and it is marked 925 here. Very pretty, elegant, simple pearls, and the clasp is really nice too. And I listed this one for 14, which is really good for a pearl necklace. Next, we have another pearl necklace, and this is a peacock kind of black color. This one still has the tag. It's never been used. It's very pretty. Again, I really love this color on this one. And I listed this one for 14 as well, and this is also an 18-inch. And on the tag, it has some kind of, it does describe it. It says freshwater pearls, and the size is 5.5 millimeters. And the little clasp here is sterling silver. And I'm going to show you again. It's very pretty. And of course, it'll be less than 14 with the 20% off. And next we have oh, here, this one here. Okay. This one, it's a cross pendant and it has a little heart stone in the center. And here we go. It's very nice. I love the shape of the cross on this one, and the heart center is really pretty. And I did include a necklace with this. Let me see if I wrote the size of the necklace here. No, I didn't write how long the necklace is, but it does look like an 18-inch on this one. But it'll say in the listing the size of the necklace. And it is marked in the back. And let me see what it says. It says 925 Thailand. Okay, let me show you one more time before I move to the next. Okay, and how much did I list this for? 15. Okay, next we have, oh, this one here. This is very unusual. I had never seen one of this before. It's a necklace, a heart bell necklace here, and it does ring. You hear that? And I did find one of this pendant, and it's called this is called "You Are Loved" bell. And if you Google "You Are Loved" bell pendant sterling silver, you will see the same exact one listed for 69, and it does not include the chain. And I did add a really long, nice chain to this one. The chain is 24 inches. And I listed this one for 35. And with the 20% off, it's going to be much less than that. This is very nice. It's a unique piece. I really like this one. I have never seen a bell pendant before. I've seen the chime ones, but I had never seen a bell. Okay. What do we have next? Oh, okay, 2 rings. Okay. These rings, I wore them a few times, and you've probably seen me seen these on my finger, and I decided it's time to let go. And they do have kind of like a hobnail design on it. I don't know if you can say hobnail when it comes to jewelry, but that's how I'm gonna describe them, because that's how they look. And one of them is kind of like it has a darker color on the inside, and this one is a lighter brown on this one, so it's different colors, and they are stackable. And this one is, I think, let me make sure about the size. It does say in the listing, but I want to let you guys know it's a size 6.5, and these are very pretty. And I listed these as a lot of two, so they're both in one listing for $18. And I think that's it for today. Okay, guys, I hope you guys had fun watching. Don't forget the giveaway on Monday at 2 Central. And again, if you have not entered, go ahead and enter in the previous video. All you need to do is leave a comment and be a subscriber. I'll see you guys on Monday. And I hope you have a really good day. Thank you for watching. This is Anita saying goodbye.